Hello everyone, welcome. Today our stick painting works our umbrellas and color it. Let's draw an umbrella with a black mark stroke. First draw 5 semi-half arcs. And then draw a big circle. You can draw the umbrella pleated. Discover some small circles. The top of the umbrella is a little star. Finally, we draw the handle of an umbrella. Add some raindrops. The simple picture is done now. It's great to bold a simple stroke with a maker pen.
Woo!
That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Give the small raindrops first color. Blue. Illuminating. Red. Rose. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Green. Lime. Green. Light orange. Red. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.